Hello everyone. This is the second video of Philip's boutonniere that I made, and what I have here is a scalloped punch, a circle 2 inches, and I'm just punching a circle. It doesn't necessarily have to be scalloped. And now I'm just going to cut around the outside and then go all the way to the center. Just going to make a spiral out of this little small piece of paper. I do not have this video fast forward. It does take a little time to do the cutting unless you're really good at it. Almost done. Now I'm just going to chop it off. Now I've got a little spiral, looks like a curly fry, doesn't it? And I'm taking some 26 gauge floral wire. I'm going to fold that floral wire in half. And there it looks like the eye of a needle, but we don't need that eye of a needle to be that big. We just want the wire folded in half. So I'm going to close the eye with the pliers. Now I had inserted, see how I had inserted the paper through the wire, and now I am going to put a little bit of glue on the paper and then wrap the paper around the wire. Try to get it to stick real good. Now I am just twisting the paper around the wire. I am trying to form a little small miniature rose. Not an open rose, but a closed rose. I found out that it was a little bit easier to use your finger like that. Just trying to shape the rose as I go. It's starting to look like a little closed rows. And that is how you make a little closed rows. Just gluing it together now. Just holding it for a couple seconds. Want it to stick good. And I'm just bending that in half, and you'll see why in a second. That is how I let them dry. Now I'm going to pick up another one and show it to you, what it looks like whenever they're dry. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.